You've seen them everywhere, right? Those AI dancing videos taking over TikTok and Instagram. I'm talking about babies doing viral dances, Trump hitting the latest choreography, even your favorite celebrities busting moves they've never actually done. These videos are racking up millions of views, and people can't stop watching them. What if I told you that you could create these exact same videos and you don't need to be a tech genius or spend hundreds of dollars to do it? Stay with me because I'm about to walk you through the entire process, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start creating your own viral AI dancing content. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hub AI. If you're new here, this channel is all about teaching you practical AI skills and showing you the tools that actually work, not just theory. I break down complex AI stuff into simple steps that anyone can follow. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I drop videos like this regularly, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what AI tool or technique you want me to cover. I actually read every comment and use your suggestions for future videos. Now, before we jump into the tutorial, let me tell you why this skill is so valuable. These AI dancing videos aren't just a trend that'll die in 2 weeks. This is a technique you can use over and over again. New dance challenge drops tomorrow? You're ready. New viral sound next month? You're ready. You're essentially learning how to ride every wave that comes. And the best part is, you can post the same video across TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, literally everywhere. One video, multiple platforms, maximum reach. And because you can create these with any character doing any movement, the possibilities are actually endless. Whether it's babies, politicians, cartoon characters, or completely original characters you design yourself, you're in control. All right, here's exactly what we're going to cover today. First, I'll show you how to create your AI character using a completely free tool. Second, we'll find and download the perfect reference dance video. Third, and this is where the magic happens, we'll use Kling AI to merge your character with those dance moves. Fourth, I'll show you how to add the trending audio and post it properly. And because I know not everyone can afford paid subscriptions, I'm giving you a complete free workaround using multiple accounts and some clever strategies. Plus, at the end, I'll mention other tools like CapCut's new motion feature and Wan AI that you might want to explore. So stick around till the very end because every piece of information matters. Let's start with the first step, your character. Now, you might already have an idea of what you want. Maybe you saw an AI baby video that you loved, or you have your own creative vision. Either way works. If you want to create something similar to a character you've seen, here's what you do. Find that video and pause it at a moment where the character is standing straight, facing the camera directly. This is important. You want a clear, front-facing view. Take a screenshot of that frame. If you're creating something completely original, you can skip the screenshot part and just start brainstorming what you want your character to look like. Now, open up ChatGPT. You can use the free version for this. No need for ChatGPT Plus. If you took a screenshot, upload it by clicking the image icon. Then ask ChatGPT something like this. Describe this character in detail so I can recreate a similar one. Focus on the art style, clothing, proportions, and overall vibe. ChatGPT will give you a detailed description. If you didn't take a screenshot and you're creating from scratch, just describe what you want. Tell ChatGPT, I want to create an AI character of a baby wearing traditional African clothing in 3D animated style. Or, I want a character that looks like a cartoon version of a famous celebrity doing a dance. Be specific about age, clothing style, art style, and any special features. Once ChatGPT gives you a description, tell it, now turn this into an image generation prompt optimized for creating a single character in 9:16 aspect ratio. ChatGPT will refine it into a perfect prompt for image generation. This is gold. Copy that prompt and save it somewhere. Now we're going to create your actual character image. Open your browser and search for ImageFX Google. Click on the first result. It should take you to Google's ImageFX tool. This is completely free to use. You just need a Google account. Once you're on ImageFX, look for the settings icon. Click it and change your aspect ratio to 9:16. This is crucial because we're making content for vertical platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Now, paste that prompt ChatGPT created for you into the text box. Hit generate and wait a few seconds. ImageFX will create 4 different variations for you. Look through all 4 images and see which one you like best. If none of them are quite right, you have options. You can click Regenerate to get 4 completely new images, or you can go back and tweak your prompt. Maybe you want different clothing, a different pose, different colors. Just modify the prompt and generate again. Keep doing this until you get a character you absolutely love. Once you find the perfect image, download it to your device. Save it somewhere you can easily find it because we'll need it in a few minutes. All right, now we need the dance moves. Open TikTok or Instagram and start looking for dance videos. You want to find videos where the person is facing the camera directly, doing clear movements that you can see from head to toe. The cleaner the reference video, the better your final result will be. Search for popular dance creators or trending sounds. When you find a dance you like, pay attention to a few things. Is the person staying in frame the whole time? Are they facing forward? Is the movement clear and energetic? These are the videos you want. Once you find the perfect reference video, save it to your device. On TikTok, tap the share arrow and select Save Video. On Instagram, you might need to use a video downloader. Just search Instagram Video Downloader in Google, paste the video link, and download it. Now that you have your reference video, we need to prepare it. Open it in any video editing app on your phone. I recommend CapCut because it's free and easy to use, but you can use InShot, VN, or whatever editor you prefer. Import your reference video into the editor. First thing, check the length of the video. Most dance trends are between 10 and 30 seconds. If your video is longer than that, trim it down to just the dance section. You don't need the intro or outro, just the pure dancing. Next, if there's a lot of extra space around the dancer, crop the video to make them more centered and prominent. This helps the AI focus on the actual movements. Finally, mute the audio on this video. We don't need the sound right now, and it helps avoid any copyright issues while we're working. Export this edited video and save it. You now have a clean reference video ready to go. Now comes the exciting part. Kling AI. This is the tool that's going to bring your character to life. Open your browser and search for Kling AI. You'll need to create an account, so use your email to sign up and verify your account. Here's what you need to know about Kling AI. When you create a new account, they give you free credits, usually between 65 and 160 credits, depending on timing and promotions. These credits are what you spend to generate videos. About 65 credits will give you roughly 7 seconds of video, and 160 credits gets you around 15 to 20 seconds. Now, most dance videos are 15 to 30 seconds long, which means you might need more credits than one account gives you. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle this for free. If you can't afford to pay for Kling AI right now, here's the workaround that actually works. You're going to create multiple Kling AI accounts using different email addresses, and then generate your video in segments. If you don't have multiple email addresses, go to yopmail.com. That's YOPMAIL.com. This website gives you temporary email addresses that you can use to sign up for services. Generate a temporary email. Open another tab, go to Kling AI website and sign in. Click on Sign Up and enter the email you generated on Yopmail. Enter your desired password and verify. A verification code will be sent to your Yopmail. Open the tab and check Inbox for the code. Now heading back to Kling AI's tab, and enter the code. After verification, you've successfully created a Kling AI account. And boom, you have a fresh set of credits. Here's the strategy. Let's say your dance video is 20 seconds long, and each Kling AI account gives you enough credits for 7 seconds of video. You'll need 3 accounts. Open your reference video in CapCut. Use the split tool to cut the video into segments. Cut it at the 7-second mark, then at the 14-second mark. Now you have 3 clips, seconds 0 to 7, seconds 7 to 14, and seconds 14 to 20. Export each segment separately. Name them something like Dance Part 1, Dance Part 2, and Dance Part 3. Now, go to Kling AI on your first account and generate using your character image and Part 1 of the dance. Download that result. Then log into your second Kling AI account, upload the same character image and Part 2 of the dance, generate and download. Do the same with your third account and Part 3. Yes, this takes more time than having one paid account, but you're getting professional results without spending a cent. Let me walk you through the actual Kling AI interface, step by step. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and find Motion Control. Click on that. You'll see a screen with upload areas. The first area is for your character image. Click Upload Image and select the AI character you created earlier with ImageFX. Make sure it uploads completely. You should see a preview of your image. The second area says Add Motion Video. This is where you upload your reference dance video. If you're using the free method with multiple accounts, upload just the segment you're working on for that account. Click Add Motion Video and select your file. Wait for it to upload. You'll see a progress bar, and when it's done, you should see a preview of the video with a green check mark or indicator. Now look below the upload areas and you'll see a text box labeled Prompt. This is super important, so pay attention. Click in that box and paste this exact prompt. And don't worry, I'll put this in the description below so you can easily copy it. Type or paste. The character in the uploaded image performs the exact dance movements, timing, and expressions from the reference video. Match all body positions, arm movements, footwork, and head movements precisely while maintaining the character's appearance and style throughout. Double-check that everything is uploaded correctly. Your character image, your reference video, and your prompt. Now look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a button that says Generate, along with how many credits it will cost. Click that button. Here's a pro tip that'll save you a ton of time. Kling AI generates slower when lots of people are using it, which is usually during the afternoon and evening. If you generate at midnight or between 1 and 4 a.m., the generation time drops significantly. Instead of waiting 15 or 20 minutes, you'll wait maybe 6 to 10 minutes. So if you're batch creating content, do it late at night when the servers are less crowded. While it's generating, don't close the browser or navigate away from the page. Just let it run. You can open another tab and browse if you want, but keep that Kling AI tab open. Once generation finishes, your video will automatically play. Watch the entire thing carefully. Look at the movements. Do they match the reference video? Does the character's face look consistent throughout? Are the movements smooth? AI isn't perfect every single time. Sometimes you'll get an amazing result on the first try. Sometimes the character's face might glitch for a second, or a movement might look slightly off. If you're not happy with the result, generate again. You'll use the same number of credits, but you'll get a different result each time. In my experience, you usually get a great result within 2 tries, definitely by 3. When you get a result you love, click the download button. The video will save to your device. If you're using multiple accounts and created your video in segments, repeat this entire process for each segment with each account. Download each generated segment to your phone. If you created your video in multiple parts using different accounts, Now we need to merge them together into one complete video. This is easier than it sounds. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all the video segments you downloaded from Kling AI, your Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, however many segments you made. Drag them onto the timeline in the correct order. Make sure they're right next to each other with no gaps. Play it back and watch the transitions between segments. Here's the trick to make it look completely seamless. Where one clip meets another, select that point on the timeline. Look for the transition option in CapCut and add a very quick dissolve transition. Make it about 0.2 seconds, super fast, almost imperceptible. This smooths out any tiny differences between the clips and makes it look like one continuous video. Do this for each transition point between your segments. Then, play the entire video back from start to finish. It should look like one smooth, continuous video with your character dancing the entire routine. If you see any weird jumps or glitches, adjust the transition timing or trim the edges of your clips slightly. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready for the final step. This is how you actually make your video go viral. Go back to TikTok and find the original dance video you used as your reference. Look at the video, and you'll see a spinning record icon or music note. That's the audio. Tap on it. This takes you to a page showing everyone who's used that sound. You'll see a button that says, "Use this sound." Tap that button. TikTok will open the camera/upload screen. Instead of recording, tap Upload and select your finished AI dancing video from your gallery. TikTok will automatically sync your video to the trending audio. Watch it back to make sure the movements match the beat. If the timing is slightly off, you can drag your video left or right on the timeline to adjust it. Before you hit post, let's optimize this properly. Write a caption that's engaging but simple. Look at other viral videos using the same sound to see what kind of captions work. Usually something short and relatable performs best. Add hashtags strategically. Use general ones like #AIArt, #AIVideo, and #TrendingDance, plus any specific hashtags related to the trend or sound. Don't go overboard. 5 to 7 good hashtags is plenty. Most important, make sure Allow Duet and Allow Stitch are turned on. This makes your video way more shareable and increases your chances of going viral. Post your video on TikTok, then immediately post the exact same video on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. Same video, multiple platforms means you're multiplying your chances of getting views. Before we wrap up, let me quickly mention some other tools you should know about. CapCut recently added motion tracking features built right into the app. It's not quite as powerful as Kling AI yet, but it's improving fast and it's completely free. I'm actually planning to create a full tutorial on CapCut's motion features in my next video, so subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss that. There's also ViralAI, which is another motion replication tool similar to Kling. Some creators prefer it because the interface is different and the pricing structure works better for them. It's worth checking out to see which one you like better. Runway ML also has motion capabilities, but it's more expensive. If you start making money from your videos and want to upgrade your tools, that's an option to consider. Let me leave you with some strategy that will actually help you succeed. First, batch create your content. Don't make one video and post it. Spend a few hours creating 5 or 10 character images. Download 10 reference dances and generate all your videos in one session. This gives you content for weeks. Second, consistency beats perfection. Posting every single day with decent videos will get you further than posting once a week with perfect videos. The algorithm rewards consistency. Third, experiment with different characters and styles. Don't just stick to babies if that's not resonating with your audience. Try different looks, different vibes, see what gets views. Let your audience tell you what they want to see more of. All right, everything I mentioned in this video, the prompts, the ImageFX link, Kling AI, the temporary mail, all of it is linked in the description below. Just scroll down and you'll find everything you need to get started immediately. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps this video reach more people who need to learn this skill. And drop a comment telling me what AI tool or technique you want me to cover next. I seriously read every comment and create videos based on what you ask for. Subscribe to Digital Profit Hub AI for more tutorials like this every week. Now stop watching and go create your first AI dancing video. I'll see you in the next one.